Okay, so this is our first stop here in Laguna, actually in Louisiana. This place is called Maribela Restaurant and Garden Resort, something like that. So it's a really nice resort, and we're just taking a brunch, and then after we're gonna wrap up and go again because we still have a long ride to go. Lock. Ng brunch na to, diretso na tayo sa Unisan, Quezon, sa Puerto Salincapo, yung destination natin. Actually, kaya namin napili yung area na yun kasi based on the social media na nakita namin, napaka-peaceful ng area, the scenery is really nice, tahimik. Tapos, yun nga, we're just escaping from time to time, so this is a good place para mag-relax. Ano masabi mo, Brad?
Ang saya.
Scripted. O sis, ngiti nga dyan. Ayun o. Kaganda. Dalaga. Pwedeng ibenta. Minsan lang to, George. O, ale. Mumiti ka nga. Baka di tayo mabenta niyan eh. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. At ito na ang aming munting tahanan. At nandito, Brad, miss na yung wifi mo ah. Oh, Brad, dali. Ikaw, may wifi ka rin? Sagot ka, single ka. Balakda yung isa nating kasama. Kape mo, tol. Asay na. Grabe, no? Kung ganito lagi ang bubungan sa'yo tuwing umaga, siguro kahit stress out ka, kahit ano pang nangyari sa the whole day mo, if you have this in the morning, laging fresh ang isip mo. For guys na talagang gustong nagme-meditate in the morning, walking in the sand, deep breathing, so anything that will make you relax. This kind of places talaga napakagandang maging destination ninyo. You can take away all of your worries and maglublog ka sa dagat at saka mag-relax ka. Wow, it's so very relaxing. Chill ka lang, and then after a long day na may nangyari sa'yo, if you have this kind of place, everything's gonna be fine. Bibili tayo ng ice coffee sa taong nagbablog ng ice coffee.
Ay, kapeng gala.
Anong content mo? Puro ice coffee?
Except sa vanilla ko.
Gaano ba kalaki?
Medium size sir.
So ba?
May chocolate, may strawberry. Hi, what's your vlog, sir?
Naglo-long ride ako ng bisikleta. Batangas. Wow. Evaisia.
What's your name, sir?
Marlon.
Regular po, Marlon. All the stock pala yun. All the stock.
Ano pala to ha? Mobile barista. Ang pangalan mo pare Goy?
Ito sir, Kapeng Gala. Yung pangalan mo.
Talagang ano.
Literally. Meron ako isang sasakyan sir na doon ko niluluto yung kape. Pero since maraming tao nga sa beach, may 3 wheels kasi yun, nahihirapan akong ikiksikan. So, motor lang ako ngayon. Tapos niluto ko na yung kape kanina.
Pwede iniikutan mo lahat ng resort dito.
Sisigaw ko dyan kanina na akin nilagay.
Hindi, doon ako sabi ko layo mo eh.
Regular lang.
O, tikman mo, pagka ano, yung chocolate o ang trick mo. Talagang kompleto ah.
I started sir 3 years ago. Tapos nasa tabing kalsada lang ako. Parang from scratch lang talaga.
Ayun. Who knows? One of these days, diba?
Yeah.
Sometimes gold can be found in just the corner of ano. You'll never know.
Regular dati po, Timothy, 200 pesos only.
Hi! O tol, kamusta biyahe nyo?
Ayos lang. Good. Traffic.
Balita ko sa traffic daw kayo nag-start. Ilang oras binahin no? Biniyahin nyo?
Wala na. Alas 3 sila umalis ang ulo.
Alas 3! Eto na, saklaan na! Tignan natin kung sinong magaling sa saklaan. Ay, hindi pala saklaan.
Now, if you have money on the table and you don't call it, any one of us can call it. Understand? If you score. Okay. If you put something down and you don't call your money, Sandy or I can call it if you don't call your money.
Then what will happen when you will count the remaining?
Whoever.
For example, you call then I match your call.
Okay,
Kalugin natin.
pagtulungan natin yan. Diba? Talagang nilabas nyo na yung mga A-game nyo ha.
I got 5.
Alright.
Anytime you score wrong, I'm minusing.
Gagante.
Anytime you score wrong, it's a minus.
What do you mean score by roll?
Stand.
Pag binigyan mo naman. Ano? Nagbabanta.
And the cash advance.
Does that match?
Wala si advisor eh.
Minus.
Because no advisor.
Wala si advisor niya eh.
Ang aga-aga niya.
Aga mo ma-disqualified sa ice cream yan.
I have no advisor.
Advisor pass! Ate Kimi! Advisor daw. Kailangan ng advisor. Kayo na pa ba?
Alex, minus 5.
Negative 5?
Wala ka pang score. Negative ka na.
5.
Mali ba?
really gives a wonderful vibe na talagang makakapag-relax ka. And just a reminder, mahina ang internet dito pero may piece wifi sila at malakas magbigay ng signal. So to wrap it up, I had a wonderful experience. So when you visit here too, hope you will have the same experience as I did because I really had a wonderful time here. I guess this is the end of the rope. Hope you enjoy watching our relaxing and laid-back experience here in Puerto Salincapo. And join us again in our next camping trip. See you guys!